Hai, Green Story di sini. Guys, yang mau ke Bali silahkan ke rumah aku ya. Misalnya nih kalian belum buka akomodasi apapun, kalian bisa nginep di rumah aku karena harganya itu affordable banget. Hanya 25 euro aja semalam seorang loh. Nah, ini salah satu teman aku yang udah pernah pakai fasilitas tinggal di rumah aku. Ini dia.
Hi everyone, I'm Nasir, I'm a Nigerian. I came from Madrid to stay here in this room, the house of Diana. This is the room. I stay here for 5 nights, and the room, as you can see, is clean. It's very nice. It's very comfortable, and the toilets there is clean. The dining room, toilet, and the salon, everywhere is clean in the house. And I recommend that you patronize Diana and come and stay with her. You will really like it. For me, I enjoy my stay, and I would like to visit her more and more.
Oh,
Thank you.
merci beaucoup. Ok.